So it's 6:30 in the morning, I'm walking the dog, and I have to say, I'm really impressed with the battery life on this H4. It's been holding up quite well for over, I've been probably using it every day for over a week with no issues. So the battery life, the fact that it can use 3 AAA batteries, I mean, that's gonna help out a lot of people. All right, now I get back to walking my dog here.
This here is the Wuben H4. It is a dual light headlamp that also offers a secondary red light as well as a gesture sensing light. That is really quite impressive. It's lightweight, easy to wear, and so far I've been really impressed with it. Let's take it outside and see what it can do. So taking a closer look here at the Wuben H4, you'll see it has dual headlights, a red light, and the motion sensor. 2 buttons up top. Let me just close this. This is using the AAAs right now. So you're going to turn this on. And then you'll see it has 3 cycles. Right there. Double click. That gives you turbo for both. 1 click off. There's the other side. Press and hold for all 3 different levels. Double click, you get turbo. Press for off. And if you press and hold it, it goes into the red light. You press it once, goes to blinking, press it again, and it goes into SOS mode. Trying to turn it off, press and hold. And then to get in the motion mode, you're going to press both of these for about a second or 2. So it has to be on, then you press and hold it for about 1.5 seconds. And then that's how the motion works. Pretty straightforward. Let's take it outside and see what it can do in the darkness.
Well, we did pick a good night for this. That is the harvest moon. So it is a beautiful night outside. But we need some darkness. So let's go inside here.
So what I have on right now is the Wuben H4, and it's this really lightweight headlamp. Pushes out a max total of about 800 and something lumens. Each bulb, there's a 5000 and a 6500 bulb that produces about 300 lumens-ish, but together they produce a turbo of 800. That is the turbo. It's a really nice light, to be honest. Not too bright. It's a wide beam. Cannot complain at all about it. I can complain a little bit about the spider webs I'm walking into. Okay, so this here is the turbo. Now I'm going to turn it off. Nothing's on right now. And I press and hold, it goes into red. And then we go into red flashing, red SOS, press and hold to turn off. Now I'm going to turn on the bright white light. So this is the high Kelvin. Press and hold to go through its settings. That should be its brightest right there, about 300 lumens approximately. I'm going to turn this off, switch over to the left bulb. Okay, and we'll turn this down. This is its lowest. So this is 5000 Kelvin. Press and hold to cycle through. Whew, that is quite nice. I think that I prefer this of the two of them because it's not too bad really. Like, it's not overly bright. It's just a nice dim light. Yeah, not bad at all. And if I press and hold it, go to dim again, at least I thought I was. Okay, there's dim. Now I press and hold both of them for 1.5 seconds. Maybe not. Okay, I believe now it's on. That's your motion activated. So you can see I just got to go like this, it's off. Go like this and it's on. That's the nutshell. Like, that's the whole light in a nutshell. it's nice. Not too obtrusive. Has everything you need. It's light, it's comfortable. Spider webs are all over the place in here. Easy to operate. One thing I would say though is, well, maybe I'm a little used to it, or maybe I need to set it a little higher. But I do find I'm getting a bit of a wash in my eyes. Like I noticed that it's blinding me a little bit. It might work better on a helmet or a hat. But right now it's not too bad if I point it up. So if I put it a little bit further up on my forehead and then point it out, this isn't bad at all. Now Wuben did send this to me in exchange for a fair and honest review, which I believe I'm giving them. This is a pre-production model. I don't believe this is released until today, October 10th, maybe the 11th. So if you are looking for one, I will leave the link for it down below. And I don't know if they're going to give you a coupon code yet. I'm waiting for that to come by email. So take a look. Let me know. It's all down below. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. I review a lot of flashlights. I have a whole list of them right here. So hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment. And then join me towards the end of the year when I have my big Christmas shitopia. And basically I give a lot of these out. All right, I gotta go. Thanks for watching. It was really nice talking to you. Enjoy the full moon because it's beautiful out there.